So we've done our post-bloom deadheading, pruning and catch up on this azalea. But there's one more step that I like to do before winter hits for all my azaleas. Algae and moss may look harmless, but on an azalea they can become a real problem. The thin bark traps moisture underneath, so after rain or watering it stays down for longer. Over time that constant moisture weakens the bark. And the subject being green moss or algae at the base or around your trunk on your azalea. Thick moss and algae can also hide scale insects, aphids and other pests, making them much harder to spot before they damage the tree. Tools for this maintenance cleanup are a soft bristled toothbrush, soft enough not to damage the bark on the azalea, clean water for scrubbing, wooden chopstick for getting into some stubborn areas and loosening some moss, and a spray bottle for rinsing off. Satsuki azalea. Carry out this maintenance every year after I've done the post-bloom deadheading and the pruning. Just expose that root flare and just generally just tidy up the nebari. This is the smallest azalea rhododendron in my collection. I've had this approximately 2 years and I let it bloom this year for the first time. Just work away at the moss, careful not to damage any fine roots, as azaleas have fine roots. Now onto my azalea rhododendron. To get this root flare, I've been doing this to this azalea. I think this is probably the 3rd year I've been doing this to expose these roots and to keep it clean. But you can see the difference. Try and get in close you can to all these nooks and little crannies, anywhere anything can hide and cause potential harm. And that's all from these 3 azaleas, cleaned and looking their best, from bloom to deadheading, pruning and finally cleaning the trunks and the nebari. You've seen the complete post-bloom care cycle. A clean trunk not only looks better, but also makes it easier to spot potential problems early. How do you clean your azaleas after flowering? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your method. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe for more bonsai content, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.